In this video, I'm going to show you how to test GFCI outlets with using this. Alright, so with this device, remember where the test button is, because the ground side is up. So here we go. That's how it'll be facing down, so you will not be able to properly see the test button. So as you can see, it's wired properly. This green light tells you that the outlet is wired properly. Now we're going to test the GFCI and make sure it's working. It's blinking, which means it's off, but it was wired properly, and it'll tell you your voltage, 118 volts. Alright, so we'll reset the button. Plug her back in. See, it works. Bring her out. 118 volts. Nifty little tool to have. I highly recommend that you have it in your toolbox. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.